STEM lab at school versus STEM lab at home. STEM lab at school, while intended to be impressive, may not be consistently functional. Time limitation. Even when they are operational, students might only have the chance to conduct experiments briefly, perhaps just once or twice a week. In contrast, a lab setup at home provides students with ample time to engage in experimentation daily. This allows for more in-depth exploration and learning. Access limitation. Furthermore, in a school setting, not all students might get equal opportunities to actively explore and learn through hands-on activities. At home, however, students can dedicate more time, sometimes working alongside parents, to truly delve into discovery. Operational challenges. Managing a lab session with a large class, potentially 40 to 50 students, and kits with small parts can present significant operational challenges. Conversely, a home lab with one student and one kit is much easier to manage. Know-how challenge. Teachers in schools may sometimes lack specific training in conducting STEM experiments, which could lead to these activities being avoided. Our online school addresses this by providing students with support from a dedicated STEM instructor who can guide them in setting up and carrying out activities.